Hello everyone and welcome once again to Aviation A to Z. Today we will see about job posting of ATCO, that is Air Traffic Control Officer for Steel Authority of India at Rourkela Steel Plant. So in this video we will see each and everything about it, including eligibility, experience, nature of job, most important salary and some general necessary details. So watch this video till the end. First of all, it's really important to check the authenticity of job posting. So we visited the official site of SEL and it was clearly visible that they have posted it as advertisement number 3 of 2020, as you can see here, because it is a 3-week old and the date of interview is on 13 Jan 2020. So still you have 1 day to go for that interview. One more thing, if you are new to our channel, then make sure you subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to get such quick job updates and notification. Let us see all the details about job posting. The opening is for only one person and they have mentioned that it will be for 2 years or till a regular air traffic controller is posted by Airport Authority of India, or whichever is earlier. In short, they need one temporary air traffic control officer for SEL Rourkela plant. The salary will be 35,000 per month and the benefits you will get are rent-free accommodation, free medical treatment for yourself and your spouse and 15 days of casual leave per year. So it's advantage. Now let us see eligibility criteria for this. The age of applicant should not be more than 70 years as on 19/12/2020 is the date of this job posting. Talking about qualification, the applicant must have completed the course on Aerodrome Control, Approach Control from Civil Aviation Training College, Airport Authority of India, Allahabad, now Prayagraj, or equivalent course from recognized institute, or has served as Aerodrome Officer, Air Traffic Controller under Airport Authority of India or Indian Air Force with similar responsibility. Now let us see basic experience requirement of the candidate. The candidate should have minimum 5 years of experience in air traffic control services. It means not as ATCO but in ATC services, remember this, and if you have less than that, still apply because sometimes your knowledge matters more than experience. Now what work you need to perform? Operation of air traffic controller for Rourkela Aerodrome, coordination of aviation requirement and requirement of aerodrome for flight operation, coordination with different departments of Rourkela Steel Plant, including communication, engineering department for maintenance, and you must comply with all the statutory requirements concerning aviation, air safety and related matters. Interesting work. So what are you waiting for? Apply now on LinkedIn and visit official site for more information. The link of LinkedIn and official website is in description of this video. Now, the selected candidate will be allowed to join being found medically fit by company's medical board. In short, he/she must be fit and fine. The outstation candidate shall be reimbursed second class single to and fro railway fare and bus fare by shortest route on production of original ticket provided distance is more than 30 km from venue. In short, fare will be paid for candidates who are giving interview at the venue, as it's mandatory to reach for interview on 13 Jan 2021 at 11 AM Indian Standard Time. Now let us see what documents you must carry with yourself for giving interview. The candidate must come with original set of self-attested photocopies showing proof of age, academic and professional qualification, experience, etc. and one recent color passport size photograph duly attested by a gazetted officer. The venue is Central Power Training Institute CPTI located in ED building premises Rourkela Steel Plant in Rourkela. So apply and give interview if you think you are eligible, and most important, government jobs comes with other benefit as mentioned earlier. So I wish you all good luck and you get selected. Unfortunately, it's one post and for one person, but hope to see more such recruitment in 2021 in our aviation industry. We will keep you updated about such rare vacancies. Only thing you need to do is to like it, share it and mention your doubt in comment section and subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on other social media handles for aviation related news and other informations. That was all for today, but if you are still watching, here is your bonus. We will soon go live with one of India's best air traffic controller to give you guidance about becoming ATC in India and what benefits you get. So stay tuned and see you soon. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, stay safe, Jai Hind.